Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to use Patreon for beginners. You can use Patreon to make money as a creator, and at the end of this video we're hoping that we'll be able to help you out to get started. So stick around to the end. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to patreon.com, and as you can see, this is the website. You can see the pricing, the features, and you can see a section here for creators. And by the way, you can see podcasters, video creators, musicians, artists, and game developers have a place here in Patreon. If you're video creators, you can turn your viewers into people, reach every fan, every time, more ways to get paid, and other video creators on Patreon. So there is something for you if you belong to any of these groups. Right away, we're going to click on Get Started. Now you're going to get to this page and you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or you can use your email address. When you put in your email address, you can click on Continue to Proceed, or you can choose this option. To make things easier, we're going to choose Continue with Google so they can use our details with our Google account. When you click on it, a pop-up will come up for you to select your Google account. We're going to choose an account. On the next page, you can see Let's Name Your Page. So here you get to make some inputs. For example, if your page isn't suitable for people under 18, you can tick this box and you're going to have some more information here where you can learn more in order to stay within the boundaries of the guideline. Then you have your creator name. You're going to find one. And we have a random username for this tutorial, Ray Gain, and we hope that this username hasn't been taken. If it has been taken, you will be notified perhaps here or on the next page, depending on when you're doing yours. Now, you can see here, not a creator, join as a fan. Since we're trying to make money as a creator, we're just going to leave it as is and click on continue. And nicely, you can see Ray Gain is not taken and you can see the green tick. Now this will be your Patreon link, patreon.com/Ray Gain. Of course, we can click on continue. And here it says help your fans find you faster. So if you have an existing account on Facebook, X, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, or TikTok, you have the option to connect all of them to your Patreon. If you don't have them, or if you have fewer, you can click on connect to connect them individually. Of course, if you don't have any of these and this is your first time, you can click on skip for now. Awesome. So now we're on our Patreon page, and just before we start trying to fix things up and give it a facelift for others to view, we're just going to talk about some of the features of your Patreon page. Now you have different options here. The first is My Page, and on this page you're going to see your cover picture, you're going to also see your initial, but you can actually change this to be your picture or avatar. And then here you have your name, Ray Gain, and of course you can simply click on it to add anything else if you want. However, we're going to leave it as is, and then you have your headline. We're going to give it a headline. All tech info and tricks at your tips. You can basically add anything here because this is one of the first things they will see when you're looking at your page. And here you have your patreon.com/Ray Gain, and you can click on this to copy your website or your web URL in order to paste it elsewhere. Now remember, before we had the option to add our social media pages or handle, and you can add it right here. If you click on add socials, you will find this page once again. Now, this is very important if you'd like to make money on Patreon, because if you'd like to add more people from other sources, it will be easier to connect them and notify them from your Patreon. Moving forward, here still on My Page, you have home, collections, shop, membership, about, and recommendations. Now here in home, you can see some information here, and because it's the first time you're doing it, you will have to describe your page, make your first public post, and publish your page and tell people about it. You also have collections where you can organize your posts and keep your members to explore all your great work. And when it comes over to membership, you can build your paid membership. And of course, this is why you're here, and you can easily get started, but you need to be informed in order to succeed. So build your paid membership and you could have your income that you can count on, start with what you have, grow your creative business. And it says you have unpublished changes. Now, we don't mean to change anything, so we're just going to ignore it. Now it says at the top here, your page is not yet published, and this is because we've not done anything yet. It's like a new house where we haven't furnished it. So we're going to come down here and show you what it means to get started. Of course, we're going to click on leave, and here you have one step of 2. It says choose what to offer. Now, for a beginner, you can see some questions to ponder about. What benefits should I offer? You could offer bonus content like extended cuts, mini episodes, and tutorials. You can also have behind the scenes content like unfiltered cuts or raw episodes. You could also have access to a community chat with member-only topics. You also have member-only voting for quick engagement and feedback. And if you want to provide early access to your members who are paying, you can give them early access to content, news, events, and project updates. Now, why is this important to mention? This is important because these are the ingredients that would make others want to patronize your Patreon, right? So we're going to click on next. And then you also have tiers and pricing. How many tiers should I have and what price should I choose? Now, this is information, and of course, you need to do your market survey in order to know what people would be willing to pay for your services in order for you to grow. And it says here, if you're going for a single tier, $5 is a good starting point. This is how it's going to look like, something like this. And if they're interested, they will click join now. So we're going to click on done. And here you have your tier name, your monthly price, your tier description, your cover image, your tier benefits. Now remember, we had some benefits that we mentioned, which are the ingredients for enticing or having others to patronize you. You can click on add benefit and you can see here, browse recommended benefits. So great, you have add benefits, general support, ad-free content, ad-free episodes. So say we want to have an ad-free content, we're going to add that, and you need to have a title required. So ad-free content is fine, category is fine, you can add benefit, and you can see this has been added. So anyone who comes over to this tier, they will know that this is the tier that if they pay for it, they will not see any ads. So we're going to give it a name, going to call it VIP, and give it a monthly price of 5. You could give it as you want after your market survey. Then you could also have your tier description. So here we just added this information, which is a tier description, very important. Enjoy all content ad-free without interruptions. You also want to add an image, which is of course optional, and your tier benefits, which we discussed before. And here you have the option for a free trial. So if you want to give them a taste of what you're doing, you could actually toggle this on, and this allows members to try this tier for 7 days before charging them. If you like that option, you could leave it toggled on, and under advanced, you can look down here and you have tier settings. You have the option to ask members for shipping address in the checkout, or the other option, limit the number of members who can join this tier. So we have some Patreon creators who use this option, and you could set the option to 100 if you want and leave it as that. You could also add your Discord access and configure sales tax. But we're okay with everything for this tutorial, so we'll click on save. Now, because we added a tier under memberships, you can see paid membership tiers, VIP, $5 a month. Hey, this is 7 days free trial, so you can go ahead and try it, and you have 100 members, so it's limited. And here it says, enjoy all content ad-free and without interruptions. Your viewers can click on show more, and they're going to see indeed that it's ad-free. And if you want to add more tiers, you can simply click here or edit it. Now, we mentioned that about the library, the audience, the insight, and payouts. These are basically other features that help you as a creator to organize your stuff. So under library, you will see all your posts, and under audience, you will see your audience information, such as how many people are following you on Patreon, how many are paying, and how many are for free. And you also have insight, which is important for you to analyze your activity and see what more you can do to boost your growth. You have payout, which is important as a creator because that is where you can get rewarded, and promotions, community, notifications, and settings. Now, all of this is targeted to help you as a creator to make the best use of Patreon and make as much money as you can. Don't forget to get the app if you want to, so you can view your Patreon creator page on the go. We hope at this point, Patreon is now easy to use. Thanks for watching.